How to sign up for Doordash Dasher account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up for Doordash Dasher account. For this, you want to open any web browser and head over to dasher.doordash.com. Here, tap on the sign up option that you can see at the top right corner. Now, you want to enter your postal code over here. After that, tap on the next option. Now you want to enter your email address over here, then tap on the next option. Next thing you want to do is enter your mobile number over here. After you've entered that, tap on the sign up option. Now you will have to submit your profile information, which includes your first and last name. Then create a password and confirm that. Once that is done, you will have to download the Dasher app. In order to do so, you want to open the Play Store app on your device. Here you want to search for Doordash Driver app. Now you want to have this application installed on your device. After that, tap it open. Now you want to select your vehicle type over here. Then complete an identity verification process to help ensure that you are you. You will have to upload a valid government ID and take a selfie to match the picture on your ID. Now you will have to submit a background check. Log into your account on the Dasher app to see if there is any update to the status of your background check. Background checks consist of the following: motor vehicle report and criminal history. Most background checks are completed within a day, but some can take up to a week or longer. After that is done, you want to choose your preferred payout method to receive your earnings by selecting either the instantly or weekly option. You can also select the option instantly to get paid after every dash via Dasher Direct. You will have to add your bank account information to receive your earnings weekly via direct deposit. Now you want to click on the Start Dashing option to start earning. And in this way, you can sign up for Doordash Dasher account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.